Are you a bear?
Roar!
There you go. Are you gonna eat me?
Bear, roar.
Bear, roar.
Roar! Roar!
What did dinosaurs say?
Roar!
Hey guys, so today I thought I would do a video review of the UnBearable sweater. So I just finished knitting this sweater in the size 2T for my daughter. She wears a size 3 even though she's 2, so I did make some adjustments. I tried to go up a needle size. However, instead of making it the gauge bigger this way, it just made the gauge bigger this way. But it still fits her, and that's okay. So this pattern was very, very difficult. I would give it 5 out of 5 stars for difficulty. There are very long floats between the bears. So you are wrapping the yarn continuously. However, the finished product is really, really cute, and I'm really happy that I made it. It took me 2 months to make, and here are the modifications that I made. For one, I crocheted the ears, and I crocheted the band around the face, and also the string that you pull to tie it. I also added a button closure at the neck, because my daughter doesn't like things that fit tightly over her head, so I wanted to be able to unbutton it and then button it again. I am extremely happy about this bear sweater. I will not be making any more of them though, because that was extremely difficult to knit. I love the hood, I love the ears, my daughter loves it too. She acts like a bear. It's so adorable. It's the most adorable thing I've ever seen, and I hope she gets a lot of wear out of this sweater for the winter, since she can only wear it for 1 year. So what do you guys think? I will leave the pattern linked down below. This is not my pattern, it is somebody else's pattern. So if you're interested in knitting your little one a bear sweater. They also have an adult version, which maybe I will one day make for myself. But as I said before, this sweater was really, really, really difficult to make. Even for me, I would say I'm an intermediate knitter. Just be aware of that if you are looking into this. So in closing, I would give the UnBearable sweater 3 out of 5 stars. 2 stars for cuteness, 1 star for my daughter being really cute and for some of it being fun to knit, and -2 stars for it being very difficult and time consuming and frustrating. I didn't realize how hard the color work part was going to be, how long the floats were going to be, and how difficult the hood was going to be to knit. So yeah. In regards to the actual written pattern, it's extremely well written. There's lots of information. Everything's explained really well. I found the instructions for the hood pretty confusing, but the color work part was spot on, and the pattern, I think, was well worth what I paid for it. So I'll catch you guys later. Bye.